number goes.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Whoopee TV. In this episode we have the new Hot Wheels Zombie Attack playset. This is a great set for anybody who likes Halloween or monsters or zombie themed
You can
sets.
Yeah, sets.
With the car,
Hey, there's the graveyards.
Yeah, the zombies in the graveyards.
Yeah, and
So
there's the gate.
You have to attack all the zombies in the graveyard.
The car is going to launch in the gate, and the zombie is going to hit, and
He's heading out for the gate so he can escape the zombies.
yeah, if the zombie is going, I'm going to get you next time.
Okay. Yeah, it comes with
And you got
this
to.
awesome Hot Wheels car. See how it says Hot Wheels? Here in the back of the box, what you see is the playset all connected. What you have is same as the pullback launcher, so you can launch against the car against the zombies. The zombies are spinning targets.
And look the pictures.
Yeah, here's when you hit the zombie.
And boom! And it flips.
And it flips.
And boom!
Zombie falls down. Pow!
Yeah.
As of with any other Hot Wheels set, you can connect with other sets using these. So you can make a big, huge other set.
Yep.
Okay, so let's open this set up to put it together and start playing around.
Yeah.
Let's attack some zombies.
Open it up. That's cool. Whoa!
Okay.
Instructions.
Instructions.
Look, I found. Fiend. Oh my God, that's zombie. Oh man.
Okay. Here we have the zombie crypt.
Yep.
So he does like this. Flips around.
And look.
Oh, look. See that? It's a holographic one. So he goes, "Caw."
And the gate starts to close it. And he never goes.
Okay.
Hey, there's the bat. Look.
That's a gargoyle.
Yeah, there's the
Okay,
gargoyle
so
bat.
here's the launcher.
Yep. Look at it.
And one track set.
Yep. Truck set. We have one up.
Here's the other sticker where the zombie falls down when you hit him. Okay, we're gonna apply that one. Let's see, anything else?
Get it out.
Oh,
Whoa.
these are.
Ooh! You got to. You knocked the gargoyle. Look. Let's play this one.
Very nice. Huh?
Yeah. Very
Has a
nice.
metallic finish.
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
put the sticker on.
Okay, so we applied the sticker. Here's
Yeah.
the sticker it came with.
Hey.
That's the holographic one. And when he comes over, boom! Knock the zombie down.
Yeah, with the car because
See?
it's going to
The
flip.
car's gonna flip it over. Boom!
Yeah. It boom. And where's that thing?
And knock that zombie down. Oh no!
Here.
Then there's a new zombie. Oh.
And you're going to go start the back.
Okay, so to put them together,
Yeah.
just slide
And
the orange track
yeah,
Yeah.
and
here and
I'm going to slide it. I slide it. No, I slide it.
okay, you slide.
Look at this. Ooh, now let's try this. Okay, let's try this set. I'm going to do one big thing there. And let's go set. Boom! And launch. Boom! Ooh!
Oh, another zombie.
Boom! Oh. 1,
Whoa!
Ooh, they flip it.
Okay, now to spice things up and change it around for the zombie, we're gonna use a bréagáin Hot Wheels car.
Yeah, we have the different one.
The different ones.
Yeah.
Bréagáin on the track, on the launcher.
Okay.
And now let's hit that zombie.
There's the vampire bats. And look, it's gonna happen. Boom! Now we're going to try this one. It's a coolest car. Yes. And go!
Wow, that one hit that zombie really hard. That zombie went down. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like this set, and I hope you like the zombies and the crashing and all the Hot Wheels we showed you on this episode.
Subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.